Jumping from one topic to another, unsure if your UPSC efforts are really taking you anywhere. That's what happens when preparation lacks alignment. At VisionIAS Lucknow, we design your UPSC journey as a well-mapped pathway, from prelims to mains to the interview, where every stage is connected and every effort moves you forward. It begins with clarity and strong fundamentals. Experienced faculty simplify complex concepts and help you avoid common preparation traps. Learning is focused, structured, and purposeful. As you progress, practice becomes direction-driven. A carefully designed test series evaluates you at the right time and sharpens decision-making. Detailed feedback and mentoring ensure constant improvement, not random practice. All of this unfolds in tech-enabled classrooms, where digital tools, seamless access to resources, and smart learning systems make preparation efficient and engaging. At VisionIAS Lucknow, nothing is left disconnected. Every lecture, every test, every mentoring session is aligned, so your effort compounds instead of scattering. If you are preparing for UPSC 2027, 2028, or 2029, don't just prepare harder, prepare aligned. Prepare with direction, prepare to finish strong. For more information or register, visit our website or call us on the given numbers.